Hi, I'm Chef Dan with FreshPoint, and I often get asked how to use sea beans. I like them raw, thrown in a salad or even as a garnish. It adds a bright, crunchy texture with a vibrant, salty flavor. Gets its name legitimately. It does taste of salt water and of the sea. More commonly known as salsa cornea, which refers to the name and the shape of the bean. Salsa cornea simply means sea horn, and if you look at each individual bean, they actually do look like a horn. You can blanch them lightly, don't need to salt the water on these. Blanch for about 30 seconds, shock them in ice water, and then you can saute them to finish it. They're great pickled, especially when you pickle with daikon and carrots. Also great raw, just thrown in a salad for that vibrant punch of texture. Nutritionally, these are a great source of protein. So where do sea beans grow? They do grow in the marshes surrounding the ocean and the Gulf. Now they're grown in greenhouses. Interestingly enough, they only grow in salty, brackish water, which is where they get their flavor. I'm Chef Dan, and fresh things come from FreshPoint.